Today I went to the grocery store, and the idea was either you hadn't planned on cooking or you didn't have a plan for dinner. Al Capone pork roast. I had no idea that Al Capone wanted so much cheese in his pork loin. I wasn't sure what I was gonna get when I walked in. Found some beautiful, fresh ingredients, knowing that I was gonna have to worry about how to cook them because the M Series oven has settings for me. This is a Wisconsin-raised organic bird here.
We've got like 8 different kinds of chicken, but we've had a little demand for the more local.
You don't have to worry about it. Just go to the grocery store and find what looks good, what looks fresh, what you want that night. Some cauliflower. Basil looks nice. Bring it home, and the oven's gonna do the work for you. The Gourmet mode in the M Series ovens is a series of settings developed by the chefs in the test kitchens at Wolf. Put anything in that oven, let it know what you're doing, and it takes care of the rest for you. Olive oil, just rub this into all the skin. I think that folks get intimidated a lot by not cooking with a recipe. But because the oven gives you a suggestion on how to roast vegetables or how to cook these meats, I don't think that you need to be intimidated by it. Some salt and pepper. I think that's a great way to take one step outside of your usual comfort zone. Now I'm gonna set our oven to roast our chicken. Let's first turn this knob to Gourmet, and we're gonna select meat. We're gonna select poultry. We're gonna select whole bird. And now we're gonna choose the weight, which is under 12 pounds. Now to give us a little bit of information, no preheat is required. We can put the food in right away. It also lets us know that we should be using rack position number 2. And then just like the oven instructed, put the probe into the thickest part of the thigh, and then hit start. All this information has already been developed and programmed into the oven by the chefs in the test kitchen. And now we're gonna get our vegetables ready to roast. You don't need a recipe. If you end up getting different vegetables than we're gonna do today, that's just fine. They'll cook beautifully in the roasted vegetable setting as well. So now I'm gonna add some olive oil to this, toss it around, and put it in my baking dish. So it looks like our chicken is done, and we're gonna pull it out of the oven. And look at that bird, perfectly cooked, crispy skin, exactly what we're looking for. So we pulled the chicken out, and we need to reset the oven for our vegetables. So I'll go back into the Gourmet mode, choose vegetables. We want to roast them. It's letting us know that we need a rack on position number 4 and that it's going to cook the vegetables on convection roast at 400 degrees. The oven knows that the vegetables are going to take less time than the chicken. They might need to be closer to the top of the oven to get some direct heat from that broiler. Each dish needs something a little bit different, and the Gourmet mode in the oven has that set up for you. We've got a beautiful roasted chicken, some vegetables that should be done shortly. Now we're just going to throw together a quick salad to go with it. Just from the simple and fresh ingredients that we found at the grocery store, it absolutely is easy to make healthy and fresh meals in the Gourmet mode. They look great. Tomatoes have started to get some color. Chicken is juicy, crispy skin. The decisions that I had to make were based on what I wanted to cook, not how I had to cook them. That's the beautiful thing about the Gourmet mode in the M Series oven. That's got a nice flavor. And I have this beautiful, delicious plate of food for dinner tonight.